Boston.
Get the sauces. It's in like really creative.
Few minutes later.
Find some? Dude, I need my hair up like for real.
Fucking God.
Wait, which one is that?
It's the green one. I don't know.
Well, you have to say or else we're not gonna know. Wait, people are gonna hate this video.
Yeah.
Literally. Okay, well, let's see which one we like, because what if we mix it?
This one's Beijing. Which one's this one?
This one doesn't have enough
Kimchi?
sauce.
Kimchi.
That one's a kimchi? Okay, wait, look, put the kimchi. You see what I fucking mean?
Wait. Hold on. Jeez. Shut up.
Okay, now put that bag right here. Over here. Give me the bag.
Oh, wait.
Well, dude, it's because you're going to forget in 3.5 seconds. That's really good.
Jajang. The Jajang one look bustin'.
Yeah, do that one just both, I guess. And then we'll just, I guess, clarify.
Which one's this one? What the fuck? Dude.
Wait. Which one's that? Kimchi. What? Kimchi. Give me the thing. Give me the thing. Give me the fucking thing. The fucking container, Julie.
Hold on. Oh, the control.
I don't want to fucking hold this anymore. Oh, give me the paper towel.
Look it.
No, I don't want to taste them like that. I want it to be a real first impression. Carbonara.
Carbonara. And then
What is this one?
The original. They're gonna taste just like those ones, but they're just 2 times spicy.
Okay.
Can you stop sniffing it?
I didn't sniff. I was looking at my face. Okay, I want to taste this one because I have not tasted this one.
Somewhat.
I'm gonna have to put my hair up.
I'm gonna fog up my glasses.
Ew. Well, you don't like even
I'm not gonna burn.
Oh my god, I know. Are they all spicy?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Are they busting?
Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck, they're hot. Oh, I do not like the curry.
I should have done 2 times spicy.
Oh, fuck, you did this, but oh, dude. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, okay. The curry one seems like it's gonna. Dude, chill. We have a lot more fucking noodles to taste. Okay, awkward ass. Stop staring at me. Dude, how are we gonna get through this?
These are too spicy. 2 times.
I'm gonna edit this out.
I'm gonna cry.
Dude, taste them. Okay. Don't make those noises. Okay, let's try this one. Dude, how do these people do this? Like, I thought it was gonna be so easy just to eat noodles. I'm like literally gonna hit you. Okay, this one's the carbonara. Dude, all I know is that if I ever ate, like, making noises like that around Gigi, she would have killed me if I was... Like, there were no such thing as ASMRs. Which one did you taste it 2 times spicy?
Yes!
Should we be drinking water? That one's really good. The carbonara is really good.
Oh yeah, no, it's cheese.
Which one's this one? Which one's this? This one's the kimchi?
Original.
No, that's the original. What's this? Bitch. Dude, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we What are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna try it. Why are you eating like that? What is this one? The green one.
Judging.
Judging. Chicken corn. I'm like sunburned. Oh. Stop.
You're like just crying because of how is it hot or is it?
It's this one.
The judging?
Stop. I'm gonna fucking choke and die. I'm so fucking pale. Okay. Stop it. I just have some weird. Why do you smell it?
It's because like I don't know.
What is that one? The cheese?
Yeah.
Did you mix it with something else?
No.
You're gonna splash me. Okay. Oh my god, my lips are like on fire. Dude, I can see this video fucking flopping. Dude, we have to sit like more comfortable. You look like.
I've never heard you wheeze.
Sit right the fuck on your tongue. You can't see a piss or something. Just sit down. You look like you're gonna run away. Like, sit. You don't look comfortable. Look. You don't look comfortable. We have to do this whole fucking video over again.
What? Curry. You're making the weirdest noise.
I'm like, curry stuck to my fucking throat. Oh, I put it in my eye. I put it in my eye. Oh, give me a freaking thing. Give me a thing. Oh my god. No, bigger one, a bigger one, a bigger one. Give me a fucking thing. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That has spice.
No. Don't splash that shit in my eye because I swear it hurts.
It's the weird one you said, right?
You didn't taste it? You didn't taste it yet?
No. Have you tried the 2 times spicy?
Fuck, bitch, you were like crying. Oh my god, did I go back for my eye again? Stupid. Anyways, you can't taste it like that. What? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, well, aside from the fact that I look really stupid.
You sound, oh my gosh, you sound like Maddie when she was.
Oh my god. Okay, so people are probably wondering whether we're friends, sisters. No, we're not.
Mother dearest.
You've probably called me mom like a million times in the video, actually.
Yeah.
So no.
We're bringing a snack to school.
No. Mother, daughter. I am actually a teen mom before it actually became a thing. Before that show came out.
Can you like help me?
Wow, I need a drink.
Have you tried the cheese ones? Good.
I'm gonna sit, okay? I'm just gonna relax.
You act like you're about to interview to get a job.
Sorry.
I mean, basically we are.
That's right, I just need to talk.
Why are you so thick?
Do I just talk about 16 and pregnant or what?
What? Come on, because a lot of people are gonna be like,
That's your mom? So, for a long time, obviously Julie was, what, ew? Or something like, I do this cannot be. Oh, okay.
I cried. Ow!
Ow, what?
My mouth.
What? Did you not get down with your mouth? That's okay, the carpet's ugly anyway, so we're gonna take it out anyways.